Let's see how you can easily install an AI powered chat widget on your website that can talk with your customers and collect customer details as well. So here I'm in a demo account and I have already created a sample AI agent over here. So let me go to the AI hub. So here you can create any agents for your business over here. So let's see a live demo of the custom chat widget agent for this specific plumbing company called as SwiftPlow. So let me open this AI agent we have just created. So here it says you are a helpful assistant to this particular company, responding customers' question in just 1 to 2 sentences. So here we have all the information about that specific company, including the services, the pricing, some frequently asked questions, and also the contact information as well. Along with that, we also have the AI function which is called as request plumbing service. So here in the prompt we have also mentioned if a customer shows interest in a plumbing service, then trigger the request plumbing service AI function and collect the required details. So here if you want to use an AI function within a particular AI agent, first you have to create the AI function and then you can simply choose the AI function you are going to use right here. So here we want to use request plumbing service AI function. Let's see what we have over there. So to create the AI functions, you can choose AI hub, choose AI tools, and here you have the option to choose AI functions. So here this is the request plumbing service AI function. So what does it do? Allows the user to request a plumbing service by providing their name, phone number, and also the service address. So it will collect all these details from a particular customer and also send the final message saying thanks, one of our agent will contact you soon. So that's it. So it will actually collect all these 3 details from the customer as well. So since we have already created this request plumbing service AI function and we have already activated that one right within the AI tools for this specific AI agent as well, this particular AI function connect user to human will automatically transfer the conversation to the human agents and automatically post the chatbot as well if a particular customer's intent is to talk with the human agent. So it will happen automatically as well. So let me cancel this one for now. Let's make sure this set up as the default agent over here, and also you have to go to settings, integrations, make sure the AI auto reply is switched on as well. So that means we can use the default AI agent to respond to user messages. Save it. Alright, we want to create an AI chat widget to install on the website. So here you have to come back to the websites option over here and you will see the free template right here installed. What you can do is you can make a duplicate of this one over here. Alright, and here you have to add the business name. So in this case, let me add the business name as this particular company, which is SwiftPlow Plumbing. So add the business name over here and here the welcome message. So the welcome message is automatically sent when the user opens your web chat widget. So here by default you will see this particular template connected over here. Otherwise you can actually create a simple flow and connect it as well. Otherwise you can go to all free templates, website AI chat widget, and here you can see the welcome message for web chat template over here. So this is the message setup right here. So if you want to change this, you can do that, or you can also create a new flow and choose that specific flow as the welcome message. For now, let me just choose this one. Here this is the authorized websites. So here the web chat will only work if authorized domains and subdomains are provided. So you have to simply enter your website address where you want to install the chat widget over there, and here you have other options too. For example, you can even change the brand color as you like as well. For example, let me choose a different color over here. Alright, let me choose this color and click save over here. So the web chat widget we have just created, so let me rename this one with the specific company name. Alright, so this is the web chat widget over here. So what you can do is you can click on get code over here and click on customize and simply paste the code right here. So this is how the web chat gonna look like, and here you can do further customizations as you like. For example, you can change the welcome message as you like. For example, instead of it says click here to chat with us, so let me say do you have any plumbing needs, something like that. And here you can even set different colors, icons as well. For example, the most important settings is automatically open the chat widget. So let's say a user is on your website, and if you want to automatically open this chat widget and send them a message in few seconds, few minutes, you can do that. So you have to switch on these settings over here. So by default it says 5 seconds. So what happens is that in 5 seconds it will automatically open and send them a welcome message, which was set up right there. Hello, welcome to demo. How can I help you today? And as you can see here, the company name is right here as well. So once a particular customer respond to this and send a message, it will simply use the AI to respond to them. For example, let me say, hey, thanks for asking, what services do you provide? So let me send this and see how this actually works. So here we receive the response. It says we handle residential, commercial plumbing. These are the things, services, emergency services as well. And also it also provides an option to schedule these services right here or call this number as well. For example, let me say, I'm interested in water filtration. How much does it cost? So let me ask about the pricing over here and see how this actually works. So here it says pricing for the water filtration systems varies by type, home setup, but we offer free on-site estimates. If you would like to schedule, please share your name, phone number and service address. Here it simply tries to collect a particular customer details such as their name, phone number and also the service address when they show some interest in one of the services over here. So let me provide those details as well. Hey, my name is John Justin and my phone number is 917-243-5673 and our address is 123 New Street, New York City 10011. So here I provide all these details in a single message and see how this actually responds to us. So here it says, thanks John. So Wipro currently serves in Phoenix metro area only, so we cannot provide it in this particular area, New York City. Do you have a Phoenix address or would you like to recommendation from trusted NYC plumber? So they don't provide services in this particular address. So here let me change the address so that we can actually proceed to the next step as well. For example, let me say 12 Street, this area, this is my address, and see how this actually respond to us. So here it says, got it, please provide your complete address including the street names, zip code. It simply asked me to provide all these details over here. All right, let me provide a sample address over here so that we can proceed to the next step and see how this actually respond to us over here. So here this we receive the response. It says, thanks, one of our agents will contact you soon. So this is just a demo, but if you want to install this chat widget on your website with all these customizations, you have to simply scroll down over here. Here you will see the final chat widget code for your website with all the customizations. So simply copy this code and install this on your website. So for example, let me show that as well. So let me install this on a sample landing page and show you. So let me create a new one and let me say sample landing page over here. Here you can add a landing page element as well. So add content, headline will be, let me say sample website, and here I want to add the code over here. Add code, paste the code I just copied from right here. So let me copy this code once again. All right, it has been copied, and simply paste that code. All right, pasted. So now let's preview this one. Let me publish this one and preview this one. So here this is a sample website. You will see this chat widget like this, and in 5 seconds it will automatically open and send us the welcome message, as you can see here. Simple as that. You can also track all the conversation happened through this chat widget in the unified inbox as well. For example, let me go to these unified inbox over here, inbox, and you see this particular customer from the web chat. They have provided their name, the phone number, and also the address as well. You can see all these information right here. And if you have connected your SMS channel over here through the Twilio phone number, the agents can easily send any sort of SMS right from this unified inbox to the customer's phone number as well. Simple as that. And that's a quick video on how you can easily install an AI chat widget on your website. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.